The reason why I think somebody should visit Friuli is that Friuli is a bit of a mix of everything that we have in Italy. There is food, there is wine, there is different culture, because at the end of the day, Europe is a mixture of culture, and in Friuli Venezia Giulia, we border with Austria, we border with Slovenia, and we have always been under Austrian rule, Venetian rule, many different cultures that mixed here, that resulted into the typical, the example of the melting pot that Europe and Italy in general is.
We are a small region where nice highlands and UNESCO World Heritage beautiful jewels can be admired with no over-tourism and very safe lifestyle and short distances, and within 1.5 hours you can go to the Alps down to the sea. Our landscape is very, very beautiful, but we have also many beautiful places to visit.
It's small, but it has a lot to offer, a lot of different environments, also natural environments, a lot of different things in a small area, and also a lot of history, because a border region always has a complex history usually, and also a lot of art and unique things like the mosaic school.
People can come here if want to have a true experience, you know. If you want to have some hidden gems, of course, we can give a really true experience to the people to feel the typical Italian style.